GPS. Go to the main menu and open GPS System. The 3D navigation map shows you accurate GPS locations and route information. It also supports Google Map. You will never get lost with this function. And listen to music from your phone. You can operate on both your phone and the unit. USB SD. Insert a SD card to the unit. Then, you can play media files from it. You can listen to songs freely. The digital signal processing systems and built-in equalizer make it possible for you to enjoy perfect audio sound. You can also set different play styles of the songs. Go back to the main menu and click Video icon. Select Files from the SD card. Then, you can enjoy videos. DVD. Input a DVD in the unit and select the episodes you like. The DVD player supports DVD, VCD, CD, MP3 and other formats, and you can enjoy 1080p HD videos.